Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutoria.pk. Today we are doing the exercise of your chapter 18, chemical coordination. Let's start. So we will start with the MCQs. So the first MCQ is steroid hormones are secreted by adrenal cortex, gonads, thyroid या both A and B. तो right option है option D, both A and B. Second MCQ है example of posterior pituitary gland hormones are FSH and LH, prolactin and parathormone, melatonin, prostaglandin, ADH and oxytocin. तो right option है prolactin and right option है ADH and oxytocin. Third question है the primary target for FSH cells are in the hypothalamus, ovary, thyroid या pituitary gland. तो right option है option B, ovary. Fourth है which of the following controls the activity of all others? Thyroid, pituitary, adrenal cortex या gonads. तो right option है option B, pituitary. Question 5 है which of the following have antagonistic यानी opposite effects? Question option A है parathyroid and calcitonin, B glucagon and thyroxine, C growth hormone and oxytocin, D cortisone and ACTH. तो right option है option A, parathyroid and calcitonin. Question 6 है which of the following hormones have the broadest range of target? Option A ADH, option B oxytocin, option C TSH, option D epinephrine. तो right option है option D, epinephrine. Question 7 है the pancreas increase its output of insulin in response to option A an increase in body temperature, option B changing cycle of light and dark, option C a decrease in blood glucose, option D an increase in blood glucose. तो right option है option A an increase in body temperature. इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs जो है वो सारे complete हो गए.